In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 crashing on startup. So first thing you want to do is open Steam, and if you're unable to open Steam, then you just right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and then just enable these three options. Click apply and OK, and after that you should be able to open it. If you're still unable to open Steam, then go to task manager and then make sure you disable it here. Make sure you exit it here. So if you see Steam here running, it might be lagging, so you'll just have to exit it. Click end task to exit it if you see it here, and then try to reopen it again and it should work. So here I'm going to open Steam. So once you find your game, Forza Horizon 5, I'll do this for this game as an example. Follow the same steps for Forza Horizon 5. So you would right click on Forza Horizon, and then you would go to properties, and then you'd go to install files and then browse. Now here you'll see something like Forza Horizon.exe, and then you would right click properties, compatibility, then again disable full screen, and then run this program, and then run as compatibility mode, and then apply, and then OK. So once you have this done, you can check if it works. If it doesn't, then you can click verify integrity of game files. So this will take a few minutes, and once it's done, you can close this down, and then close down Steam completely. Make sure it's not running in the background, and then after it's all closed down, go here, type cmd, run as administrator. Then you want to type in sfc /scan now. Now press enter and it will start scanning. So this will repair any missing system files in your computer. So this could actually help if you're experiencing crash issues with your game. So it will take a few minutes, and once it's done, you can just close it down. So once you try this and you're still having issues, then you can, the last option, try to just uninstall the game. You can go to control panel here, and you should be able to find the game over here. So if you don't find it here, actually if you do find it here, you can just right click and then uninstall. But if you don't find it here, then what you can do is go to Steam and you can uninstall it from there. So I'll show you how. You can go to library and then right click on the game and then manage and then uninstall. Once you uninstall it, you want to reinstall it back again, and then before launching it, just try restarting the computer as a whole, and then this should work.